Come as a friends, trackmaster sodor. One morning, Duncan went into says with the big swallow wife. Here, put it in for Duncan. Duncan, unknowingly, was up be finished. He finished, and he waited on Daddy. Then you to pick up the toys and take it up all the way. Wait to an estate. Oh, for God's sake, sir! Now I won't do it. But I have way back there, quiet. I don't want that happen again. Don't care. I said the handle to do leg quality. Did not get to work. Yes, sir. I promise if you do well, I will give you a day off. Oh yes, a day off. That I need. When then, Donkey, go pick our coaches. Yes, sir. Soon I will get them up the which way to pick up the coaches. They're gonna be a great day. He not the pizza off the line. Well, Donkey, I bet pizza came off. I bet we need to get coaches for the fireplace. Alright, but I gotta get my was good. Soon, Donkey will free track and wake you want to pick up the coaches. After he will fail while he starts. He got coaches. They got a great day. Right, Robert? Hi, Donkey. I pay ticket on my controller. I got you to the toilet to see. You don't know it? Yes, I am. And I got made you to stop me. Which will bet how what Donkey said. Come on, wait, Donkey. Sorry. Either you will shut someone coming he took a spot. After that, Donkey will free try the one to pick a cookie. Yeah, that mommy had one begin. Hi, Donkey. I gotta take it for me. Ha, yeah, I see you. Soon, Donkey found a coat. He was enough to take beater, and Donkey didn't wait to pick up the beaters. He got a great day. After that, he soon left the beater to take the beater to see the new engine. Donkey will enjoy himself. The cutter scene, the president, and the party scene, but too. And the best, I will put a don't suck Alexa handle. Donkey will get closer when. Oh, what was that about? Oh, dear Donkey, the one where you pick up with easy. You just didn't know you to worry, you know. We need to make a lower that we can make it. Alright. Donkey moved slowly carefully over the river. The butter wagon tried him, but twice he still carried on. The baby and little donkey quickly made way into yours. So on the next one. He's on my map with no anything. He looked like Philip's face, but he there he was purple. He had yellow and black knee plate and had a number 7 on his side, and he had a white lining. The pink troll who also there. What had dropped it off the way where he was, and what they had went to help it out. Everybody, engine vehicles and roads. I would like to present you the newest number 8 of railway. Apple Hill. The people cheer cry. Why the two pieces of Apple Hill, my man Donkey, and Donkey was very happy. Soon it was night time, and night fell. Apple Hill, Mighty Mac were about to say goodbye. But to Apple Hill, I love Donkey. It's great know you guys. I'm happy to be part of this railway. Hey, you'll be with a better that you wait. I agree, Apple Hill. Welcome to the railway. I know it's number 7 or 8. It's anything. You'll make us proud. Of course, Donkey Letter said, now everything next. Here we can go by Apple Hill. And here the and my Mac. Everything next. He be careful in the well. Sometimes all the time. Make mob, but he will railway and do everything on the railway.
Isso. Se você não souber os personagens, você vai perder como. Ó, aqui ó, TJ Maxx. Esses aqui é uma cabeça maior, cabeça montada no marquinhos. Esse daqui é um pouquinho. E aí eu